little stars. Today's story is about three bull friends who stuck together like family, but a sneaky lion wanted to break them apart. Let's see what happens. Once upon a time, in a green meadow, lived three bulls. One red, one black, and one brown. They were the best of friends. Red Bull smiled and said, "We share our food." Black Bull nodded, "And protect each other." Brown Bull said cheerfully, "That's why even lions stay away." And it was true. The lion in the jungle dared not attack them when they were together. But one day, a hungry lion saw them and got an idea. Lion thought, three bulls? I can't fight them together. But if I break their friendship, I'll eat them one by one. When the Red Bull went to the stream, the lion crept up to the others. Lion whispered, "Psst." The Red Bull said he's the strongest. He thinks you two are weak. Black Bull was confused. Really? Lion grinned. Yes. Let me eat him and you'll live in peace. The brown and black bulls looked at each other and slowly agreed. Lion pounces on the Red Bull. Red Bull cried out, "Help me, friends!" But no one helped. The lion's trick worked. Lion whispers again, this time to the brown bull. "Brown bull! The black bull wants all the land. He'll kick you out soon." The brown bull believed the lion and let him eat the black bull. The brown bull stands alone. The lion slowly approaches. Brown bull felt sad. We were strong together, but now I'm alone. The lion laughed and pounced. That was the end of the last bull. Moral of the story: unity is strength. When friends stick together, they are strong and safe. But when they let difference divide them, they become vulnerable to harm.
Your little wonders and stars.